Today I'm going to make cabbage soup. I'm trying to empty my freezer from last year, so this is cabbage I grew last year and froze. Only 2 bags of that. I also have some chicken broth from the chicken I canned last year. I used the chicken the other day to make barbecue chicken sandwiches, so that's the broth that's left. I'm going to use onion powder that I dried last year and paprika. And I probably will use some sour cream to add later on. But let's begin. So first we're gonna use some olive oil. Let's say 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna add the onion powder. I could use fresh onions, but I want to use this up, so today I'm making it the lazy way. I'm gonna put about a good tablespoon. Otherwise I would have just used a small onion for this if it was fresh. So I'm just gonna toast this a little bit for a minute or so. Next thing I'm going to do is add the paprika, but I'm just going to wait a little bit until the oil is hot enough. In the meantime, I'm going to go get some filtered water. Alright, so the onion smells good, and this is why it's good to use dehydrated onions, because it's just much quicker. I don't have to chop and I don't have to cook long. When you add your paprika, you always want to take it up to heat a little bit, and let's just say I use 1 teaspoon and mix it up with the oil. Paprika can burn quite easily, so just by putting it to hot oil, it's gonna bring out the color and taste. Okay, so that's good. Now we're gonna add the water, 3 cups to start with. I may add more as I go along, but who knows. Start to boil that up. I'm just gonna dump in the chopped cabbage that was frozen last year. And the way you freeze cabbage, or the way I freeze cabbage, is I chop it up. I'll blanch it for about 3 minutes in hot water, drain it, and then bag them up. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt in this, of course. Start with a teaspoon to see how much it needs. I'm gonna dump in the leftover chicken broth. This has a little grease on it, so I'm gonna take that off because I have enough oil in this already. Good enough. And that's just extra taste. The other thing you might want to add is some black pepper. And this is pretty easy to make, and it's variable as far as putting other stuff in it. If you want, you can put in tomatoes or a little bit of tomato sauce or tomato paste. You can also put in bay leaves, but the reason why I don't put bay leaves in this because I won't be able to find it, and you really need to fish those out before you serve it. So that's it. I'm gonna cook this probably for 30 minutes, and then we'll check back on it and see how it tastes and adjust. I probably will put some more water later on. We'll see. That's right, kitty. Oops. So it's been a half an hour. Let's see what we got. Okay, that's good. I think it might need some salt. Let me taste the broth. I'm going to put a little bit more salt. And I will put some sour cream in it. So the way I do that is first I'm just going to use this to take some sour cream, even the liquid part. I would say 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And I'm going to take some of the broth from the soup and blend it in. And that way I don't have any clumps in the soup. Sour cream tends to clump in hot liquids. Let's do this good. I think I'm going to put some more liquid from the soup. Just get a little more, and then pour back into the soup. There we go. And boil this up for 1 more minute. So let's take a look, a closer look. with the sour cream in it. I did not need to put more water. It depends on how you like your soup. I like it kind of thicker. So just for measurement purposes, the cabbage that I put in here was about 1.5 pounds. Or if you want to measure it by volume, it would have been about 3 cups chopped. Or it would have been 1/2 of a small head of cabbage. Okay. Let's try it out. I'm gonna go ahead and dish one out. Gonna shut this down now. There we go. And you don't have to put sour cream. I just like sour cream in all stews and most soups. It's a little hot, of course. It's delicious. It was quick to put together. So it's always good to have some kind of ingredients on hand that you can just throw together. And again, I'm just trying to clean out my freezer right now. Next time I'm gonna be making some freshly picked vegetables to show you how I use up my ingredients coming straight out of the garden. Thanks for watching.